Hello, this is Daniel for a Nerf gun war. I'm going to use this crossbow with a full amount of ammo. And I'm going to use this shotgun. It's a 3-shooter at a time. You put them in there, and then you could do that. But they look like this. So let's start the war in 3, 2, 1. Start Nerf war. Dun, 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 Out of ammo. I'm doing my crossbow. Sniper time. I'm not ready. This is a very concerned war. Yay! It was that my bullet. Or probably. Ow! Look, they weren't even. They were just suction cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, geez. I'm not really ready. Okay, I have a reload soon. Can I shoot you? No. Are you shooting my bullet back? Here. See? I saw your leg. Hang on. This one's out of ammo. No, you aren't. Yes, I am. Out of ammo. Hey, no. Hey, get away. Get away! Ow! Stop it! I said close. Hey, we're recording. Well, this is the Nerf war. Thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon. Thank you, and bye.